Okay, so welcome back everybody. Now, 2 weeks ago I did start my journey with almost 5,000 bucks yield farming in the crypto space, but in the last 2 weeks the market been going down, and this is very interesting to see. Is yield farming working when the markets go down, or only working when the markets go up, or it's not working at all? Because I have that question many times. Now, 2 weeks ago I did a spreadsheet, and right here you will see I took a couple of positions. This one OVN and USDT Plus I did add a little bit last week, but this one Pendle and Ethereum I get out with 10% loss, so this is losing for me. Oh no, so 10%, actually 12%. I cut my losses and I got out, but I'm going to come back very soon and I'm going to reopen this position probably with 500 bucks or 750 bucks, because I can see that this position is going to be very interesting for the future. Again, please, we're going to check all the position what I am in and how much money we made, and let's see what is also how it's working Beefy Finance. Let's see how it's working on Radium, on Orca, and so on and so on. Okay, so this is me, this is the portfolio what I start. That's my alarm. I have some call right in 20 minutes. So check this out. Before we go anywhere, make sure you understand nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research and never ever put more money you can afford to lose. This video is for education purposes only. Please don't do what I do, because you can get wrecked or you can make maybe, hopefully, potentially some money. So if you go back right here, you will see that the first what I did it was sold and render, and on the June 27, and that was when the render was probably 20-30% up from this price. I invest 1,000 bucks, okay? And here exactly you will see I put 3.3 sold and 75 render. I didn't compound, I don't think I took a rebalance at all, and I didn't took any profits. But let's see how much we made. And if you go to Radium, you will see that right now my 1,000 worth of tokens, they are around 900 bucks, and I can claim 25 bucks in fee. And the moment you will see that I am still in out of range, I'm out of range, so maybe I need to readjust that. And also you will see that I earned 25 bucks. Let me see how I'm out of range. So right now it's pretty dark. I don't know why they did it so dark, to be honest. I cannot see anything right here. Okay, so right now, give me a second. So current price 22.3, and my set is, let me just see, because I hate this, I don't know why it's not show. There we go. So 22.3, I'm just around a little bit off the range, so maybe I'll just rebalance after this video just to be enough in the range so I can make some money. So overall I'm minus, because the value of the pool lost around 100 bucks, so 10%, but I gained 25 bucks, what is not bad at all, and that's free money, because if I just hold the tokens, I'm going to still to be down otherwise. Okay, so next one what I have here on the list is Orca. I put 300 bucks on WIF and SOL and PopCAT and SOL. Okay, that's a 2 meme tokens with more risk, and this is very interesting. So my WIF, WIF and SOL, I'm out of range, but they worth now 260 bucks, and keep in mind that WIF tank very hard in the next few days, in the last few days. So WIF, if you go and open right here, let's see, now it's 167, and when I ape in, the price was around plus 137. I didn't put the price, but I put 137. So I don't know what was the price, but we can check right now. That was around 2 weeks ago, 27, and that was right here. So it was around $2, to be honest. So that's a good 20% down from when I went in. And if you see today, my value is 260 bucks, but I made pending yield $13.5. Probably I will also rebalance today. So next thing is PopCAT. This is one of the best performing, because I'm still having around 300 bucks worth of tokens, what is very good range right here in the middle, and I earn $36 in fee. So this is almost 2 weeks, and I earn around 1, 2, 3, around 10%, 12% in fee in almost 2 weeks. So that's around approximately almost 1% a day fee, what is very crazy, and my pool value is 298, still the same. And keep in mind that PopCAT went up just 2 days ago, was already 15% up. So this was around, my pool was around, when I checked, it was around 320-30 bucks. So I was up a lot, but just for the video, I'm not touching at all, just to see how much money we're going to make. So sadly here, when I need to rebalance, or maybe not, because I'm very to the edge of to come back in balance, I don't even touch this one actually till I for the next 2 days. If it's still out of balance, I'll come back. All right, so next one I want to mention what I add. So this one, Pendle and Ethereum, I went out with small loss, but I'm going to come back because Pendle is all the way down now. And OVN and USDT Plus, I am into this one, and this is the beefy. When I ape in, you will see here you have all the information. This is auto compound, so that's why I did for this video. When I ape in was right here. I'm not sure if you can see, it was 9998, so 998, and right now today value is 920, but I made yield of 30 bucks, but that's including into that money, as I understand. So I'm in loss around 80 bucks for the moment, but keep in mind that the OVN price went down 20% down when I ape in just few days ago. So this is only in 2 weeks. I'll do update video. I'll do my best to do every single week, or at least every 2 weeks, just to see how is my journey going. I'm going to add a couple of $1,000 more because I want to add up to 5,000 in few different pools, and just to see if this is worth it or not, because many people asking me the same question and you want to know. And you can start this journey with any money you can, 10 bucks, 100 bucks, whatever you want. Again, not financial advice. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and also leave me a comment because I'm doing giveaways for every lucky comment, for every lucky video. I'm just picking up lucky video with a lucky comment. I'm going to send you some money, what I did just 2 days ago, and I sent to 7 people, but I think I sent total of 10 people around 180, 190 bucks each. All right, so thank you so much. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Are you farming or not, and what you are farming? And if you want me to cover any farms, any pools, how to add liquidity, and what specific like chains and all that stuff, let me know in the comment section, and I'm more than happy to cover that video for you. Also, if you want to learn, don't forget that the best place to learn yield farming, I highly recommend to go and check for free. It's Underdog Investor Group. They are free, a lot of free content there, the free education, the free everything. If you want to get in with the paid, make sure you say CryptoPhil send you, because we're going to get both nice benefits back the second month you join. But make sure you join their free section, because there's so much information you can start and learning from A to Z. All right, thank you so much. God bless, and I should see you in the next one.